What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Spoody back with another video. Today I don't have a Warzone content video today. I just have a tutorial on the PS5. Don't mind the mess that's on the disc. A lot of people don't know about the trick to turn off your controller while you're watching any type of streaming services like YouTube or Netflix, Hulu, anything like that. Today I'm on Netflix, and I will be using Netflix as an example. So what you do, so let's say I'm watching TV and I don't want my controller to die as I'm watching TV, and you hold this button to turn off your controller. So you hold it, it'll take you back to the menu. You'll just simply go back to the streaming services that you have while you're holding the button, and see how it's playing. Just continue to hold it, and then eventually your controller will turn off and my video is still playing. Okay. Kind of spread the word just by liking the video so it can reach different people. Share it. A lot of people don't know about this, and this is, I will say, a helpful video. So, comment down below. If you enjoy Warzone content, this is the place to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button, hit your notification bells. It's your boy out. Peace.